So this is the GE Wi-Fi 8000 BTU, and I installed it myself, and it was super simple, super easy, and it's on a horizontal, or you guys can say sliding window. And so I installed it by using, let me turn this on first to explain it, by using this wood piece right here. Just one holding it. I'm planning to screw it in though, and that's about it. And then I just put this little wood plywood on the backing for design, or it's a seal off the air, and I use black duct tape. That's about it. It's super simple, super easy. You guys should go ahead and install it. It comes with a cord, but I obviously did not install that part. And this is the bottom of it. So I put this little foam thing that it comes with in it. That's about it. And it's great. Works just like this. At least the Wi-Fi one. And turn it like that. Power. Eco mode. Auto. Super cool, super nice. Get yourself one. Comes with the remote control, so yeah.